Let's start our conversation. Joining me on the telecast is Major Mohammad Ali Shah, and I would seek a response from you about this sorry state of affairs that Nimisha finds herself in. It has been years since the legal case has been going on under the Sharia law in Yemen, under the rule of the Houthis, which have been designated as terrorists by several countries. The fate of Nimisha hangs in balance, and it is the Sharia law against under which the blood money that has been offered from Nimisha's side is not being accepted. Retributive justice or Qisas is what the family is demanding. Now, here the conundrum is about what is wrong, what is right, what is the limit of taking an action, announcing that it is going to be execution by shooting of the individual for the crime that she has committed. Is it going too far? And how do we compare the legalese and the laws that are present in democracies versus what happens in Islamic law, and particularly in Yemen, that is the government that is in place, which is not even recognized by countries across the globe?
Right, Megha. See, if I go to the background of this, Nimisha Priya, who's 37 years old, the nurse from Kerala, and she had moved to Yemen in the year 2008. She was found guilty of the murder in 2017 of a former Yemeni business partner, Talal Mahdi, with whom she was running this clinic over there. And what we could gather to learn is Talal Mahdi had confiscated a passport, and in order to retrieve it back, apparently she sedated him, but he died due to an overdose, and then there were murder charges on her and such things. Well, this was a case where it was in Yemen they had sentenced her to death, but I think it's good news for Indians that it's been postponed, and I hope we get more time to negotiate with them, and in fact I hope we get her back to India safely, because the very fact is the safety of every single Indian outside the country. It is, we have to look after their interests. And I'll give you a small anecdote on this, Megha, and I'll quickly finish this in a minute. There was a time when I was captured by insurgents in the northeast part of India while serving in the army, and we were to be put to death in cold blood, and we got a few seconds more to live, and those few seconds led to a few minutes, that led to a few hours, and that led to me being here today, sitting here and talking to you. So I think when a postponement like this happens, if we get enough reaction time to actually negotiate and to find a way. So I presume and I hope that we get our citizens back to India safely, Megha.